Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Mamelodi Sundowns have signed Katleho Tsiki Ntsabeleng on a permanent move after he's joined Masandawana last season on loan from MLS side Dallas FC. In a statement that says, Tsiki remains yellow. Katleho Ntsabeleng has made his move permanent and will continue his journey in yellow. Yellow Nation, show him some love in the comments. That's the statement that Mamelodi Sundowns released as they signed Tsiki Ntsabeleng on a permanent deal. Ntsabeleng played 14 games last season for Mamelodi Sundowns, scored 3 goals and 1 assist, and he won the CAF Champions League with Mamelodi Sundowns. And here is what his former club FC Dallas said. Thank you, Tsiki Ntsabeleng. Ntsabeleng registered 92 appearances, scored 2 goals and 7 assists in all competitions with FC Dallas across 4 seasons. The Johannesburg native made his professional debut with FC Dallas on the 26th of February 2022 against Toronto FC in the 73rd minute. He scored his first professional goal on the 23rd of April 2022 against Houston Dynamo. Ntsabeleng was drafted number 28th overall in the 2022 MLS Super Draft out of Oregon State University. All the best, Saucemaster. Ntsabeleng has been permanently transferred to African champions Mamelodi Sundowns FC. That's the statement from FC Dallas. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Tsiki Ntsabeleng signing with Mamelodi Sundowns on a permanent transfer? Are you happy with this move? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Because we saw a glimpse of his brilliance last season whenever he got game time. He showed that he is a quality attacking midfielder. So probably this season, since they have signed him on a permanent transfer, he's going to get even more game time for the reigning African champions. And do you think that he did enough to warrant Mamelodi Sundowns signing him on a permanent transfer? Let me hear your thoughts. That's the end of the news. See you next time.